the police reach anything. Okay, if you watch one of my recent videos of me, like, what's it called, like I was just doing like a video like it was over, not over. Roblox is a W to give have me another chance. So what I do now, I have the 2-step, and this is very cool. But guess what? The police week is finally here in the ROC. But guess what I have? I have the badge for the police week. So look, what I'm trying to do is I'm just trying to, and I have my name on the wall of honor. So that's something cool. Oh yeah, I got a license plate. Yeah, that. And I'm pretty sure I got a XP boost.